The error code E64 on a Super General washing machine indicates a potential problem with the heating element, typically occurring when there is insufficient current flowing through it. Several common causes can lead to this issue, including a failed heating element, which can develop faults such as an open circuit or low electrical insulation after prolonged use. A faulty NTC, responsible for relaying temperature information to the control board, can also trigger the E64 error code, as it disrupts the board's ability to regulate heat during a spin cycle. Additionally, faulty electrical wiring can prevent current from reaching the heating element, and a failed control board can prevent the heating element from receiving the necessary commands. To resolve the E64 error code, it is essential to identify and address the underlying issue. This can be done by testing the heating element, which involves disconnecting it from the power source, accessing it by unscrewing the drum, and using a multimeter to check for continuity. If the element is faulty, it should be replaced. The NTC should also be tested to ensure it is communicating properly with the control module, and the wiring should be inspected for any signs of wear or damage, replacing the wiring harness if necessary. Finally, the control board should be checked for continuity and replaced if it is not functioning correctly. By following these steps, the E64 error code can be resolved, and the washing machine can be restored to proper function.